We're back inside the app. This is part two. What you experienced was the data going back and forth between the iMac, the MacBook Pro, and the phone. It is on a lightning cable, but sometimes the data does not pass through and you have to restart the app. So for tutorial videos, if you're going to create these for your clients or for your users, it's best to take that moment and create part one and then move on to part two. So here we are. We're inside the next app. And if we check our sites, we're in the news app. The news app, we can put content inside this homepage. We have a news feed. We have updates, blog posts for content for whatever you need it for. You can pull in RSS feeds from different news sources. You can create your own RSS and send it out. You can do anything you can imagine with Decyphor. Photo management, maybe use this for local updates about what's going on and posting content, photos for people to view the content you're trying to link to. There's anything possible if you can imagine it. Every white label, every template comes with all the same features, and it's up to you to decide how to organize them to make them yours. Let's go to the next one. For example, the Reader app. The Reader app is an app used primarily for just consuming content. There is no activity feed on the tab bar. In the main user interface, it is a reading experience. We have courses where you can create an in-depth courses experience. We have categories to manage the courses. We have blog posts for content, for further education, or maybe even better yet, announcements about what's coming in the app. We have forums where you can discuss your experience taking the courses inside the Reader app. Courses can be created in any fashion, and all the text inside of your app with a request to our support or administration. If you ask your admin to make the content specifically for you, instead of courses, you want it to say learning or education, we can do that. Let's take one more look at one more, and let's see what we can do when we get creative. So I created this last night, a video app, the ability for users to consume content that you want them to consume. I put categories, comedy, action, drama, and I've taken popular YouTube videos and embedded them inside the app so the user can watch them within the app. Audio will play when it's not connected to a device like a computer, and they can link straight into the YouTube app to continue watching or to explore. I've created individual app pages where users can explore more comedy. And in here, I've given examples of embeds that you can use for your app, for your own content, to localize your social media in one spot. You can embed YouTube, you can embed Twitter, you can embed TikTok, and there are about 25 different social media outlets that you can embed content directly in your app, which can then link to your content on the other social networks. If I click load more, it pulls open Twitter and it gives me the option to switch to the app. TikTok being a video platform will automatically play when it's scrolled to. That's one feature of TikTok that comes with the embed. So you can create a feed of TikTok videos, and the user doesn't even have to click on the next video in order for it to pop up so they can watch it. Load more. We have the same experience. The video starts, it ends. We want to go into TikTok. We click the button. And if you have the TikTok downloaded, it'll open up the app. Before we move on to the best feature, the most impressive thing about this app, you can realize that you can create unlimited apps within your own app. This can be used as a staging environment. It could be used to segregate your content, features. It could be used for you to privately access content. And you can control all of the access levels as super admin on, on your own install, your own white label of Decyphor. If you have any questions about obtaining a white label and you would like to create your own native mobile app, feel free to reach out to us at admin@risepage.com or go to risepage.io. Create an account, get involved, find me. My name is Ryan Carlock. I am the owner, CEO of RisePage and the sister app, Decyphor. That's it for tutorial video number 2. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you the app builder that is built within your own white label of Decyphor. Buckle up.